friends, welcome to Mithi's Kitchen. Today we are making Mohanthal. Mohanthal is our best dessert in India and we like to always eat that any occasion. Mohanthal fits in that. So I thought let me try it myself, because we always like with the less sugar and pure all ingredients when we cook at home. So let's we start that. I have 2 cup of gram flour and this is like a regular flour and also like a 2 tablespoon of milk and ghee. So we will add it slowly as we need add in that, and we will keep it we will make sure that our ghee and milk is going to the flour very well. So friends, you can see that our ghee and milk we have mix very good with the flour. So we will let it keep like a 30 minutes at this point. We will do it like this and keep it for 30 minutes. To doing this, we will get the good texture of Mohanthal. And like when we purchase from outside, so you can see that it will be always different than homemade, So by doing this we will get the good textures. So we will see you again back in 15 to 30 minutes. Hello friends, welcome again to Mithi's Kitchen, and you can see that we are making Mohanthal and we have kept it Mohanthal like 30 minutes. So let's first we will take it out this flour and put it in the strainer, and it has to be like little bit big strainer so it can do the well job like this. It has to be coming out like this. So you can see that our strainer is really good, and all flour we have to take it out by this, and that will bring really good texture. So now you can see our flour is ready, and also I have on other stove that one pan is ready, which I will do the syrup for the Mohanthal, and also we will add water like it's just sugar cane deep in it. So I think this is enough, and we will let it cook that like a low medium heat. And also other pan we can add our ghee, and we will add slowly because we don't want to add too much ghee and we can't make it like pieces, so we can use slowly. And at this point we will add our flour too. And this Mohanthal we will make it with the mawa. So I want you to see that it will really tasty and you will like it. So I have to cook this flour probably like 8 to 10 minutes continuous cooking with the ghee. and as is cooked, I will show you. You can see that our flour is very good roasted with the ghee. At this point also our other pan is syrup is turning very well. At this point I will add saffron in it because saffron will bring the nice color and taste. So we will let it cook like and we don't have to just do one thread will be good, you know, with this, otherwise it will get turned very hard. So just couple minutes we will let it cook, and at this point I will add our mawa that I have like a half a cup of mawa. So we will add in this one. And our heat is very low, so you can let it roast in the low heat until mawa get mixed. You can see that it's very easy because our mixture is hot. You can see that chasnis, that drop is steady, so we have to turn off this point chasni and let it just settle down for a couple minutes. At this point we will turn our Mohanthal besan. Our heat is very low. We will add our cardamom powder. This brings real good taste. When this all roasting, it smells very good, you know, it's a great aroma. So at this point we will add our chasni in it. So now you can see that this is all mixing very well and our heat is still at low. Now I will turn on little bit on high heat, just little bit on high, so we can get our mixture thick. And for cooking couple minutes we will turn off heat. You can see that our mixture is getting thick. This all sweet when we cook home, you know, is really very pure ingredients and you will enjoy, you know. So you can see that our heat is turning our mix very well. so it's getting more thicker. So at this point I will turn off stove and I let it cook just couple of minutes extra with this, and then I'll add it to my pan. So friends, you can see that I have put it in my pan. So I will add for the garnish pistachio, almond and also cashews. So we will let it cook this, we will let it cool down for until like it get, you can see that still is very loose, but at this cold it will turn really good thick. So now we have to put our Mohanthal for the cool down, and after that we can make it paste. And I noticed so many times people use it just like this and put it in the bowl and they eat it. So either way is tasty, you know, and some people likes like just like this hot, and it's really great you know, taste. So however you like it, you can use it, but like a tradition we used to with pieces, so I like that one. So I'll show you after a few hours how it turns. So friends, now you can see our Mohanthal is ready. That really very tasty, and also I have garnished with this all dry fruits, and I kept in the refrigerator almost like a 45 minutes to let it cool down, and it's turned very well. So please try these recipes and enjoy with the family. You will really love it, and especially like we all like sweets, you know, time to time we are very interested to eat. So this is like very good ingredients, so follow that, and I will see you again another new recipes. And if you like these videos, please subscribe that. I would be appreciate bottom of my heart. Again, thank you very much, and see you with the simple recipe again. Have a blessed day.